guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to a new video. Welcome back to my channel because it's been a while and I forgot I was actually doing my voice stuff in my phone, trying to figure something out. So don't even mind the phone, okay? Might use the audio, I might not. I don't know. Don't you worry about that. That's my job to worry about. In today's video, I thought we would have a little chit chat, a little what's been up with me, what's been up with you. I can just post this video. I actually don't need to post this video. A lot of my Patreon people said you don't have to, maybe because they didn't want to watch me ramble. I'm just now thinking that. Seriously. They're like, just get into the video making, Sam. Like, don't let that overwhelm you. I get overwhelmed. You can call me overwhelmed Sam. I have some notes that I want to touch base and just to cover, and then we can kind of move on. My hair, it's changed since you've last seen me, and we are a pink girly right now. During the winter, I had it dark. Like, this is pretty much my natural color, and I kind of liked it dark, you know. It's like different, new. I recently just got my bangs cut, so they're like in the process of growing out. Like, I don't like how my hair feels when I first get it cut. I like when it's like grown into it a bit. My hair is like, it's pretty like dirty and wet. I worked out and now here we are filming a video. So guys, if you're still part of my channel, you are still subscribed, thank you so much for staying here. I know it's been a really long time since I've uploaded consistently, and I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I will say the break was great. The break was good. Okay, I don't know about great. I don't know about good, but I guess it was helpful to my mental health a little bit and my physical health. I never wanted to take a long break like that. I didn't realize how long it was until, like, you know, Christmas was here, New Year's, Halloween was here, and then like spring, and then now Halloween is behind us, and I'm just like, where did the time go? Here's what I've been doing since I've last uploaded a video. I wish that I could montage everything. I wish I could let you know that I was filming behind the scenes, like a little add the B-roll here, like the aesthetic, like working on myself, like I'm not dragging, you know, like I'm going. But no, I don't have none of that. So it's just going to be me sitting here talking to you. So grab something to drink. I'm currently drinking some coffee. It's pretty sweaty right now. Coffee's fine if it's sweating. I'm just glad I'm not the one with the sweat stash. When did I last see you? I think I stopped uploading in October. And if you don't remember, my family actually came here to Salem to visit me for the first time, and I loved it so much. I was just so happy, you guys. Like, my heart was thriving, my soul was thriving. I've been really homesick for a really long time, and so them visiting just like meant the world to me. It was my niece, her daughter, and her husband. We had such a great time, and then when they left, it was like super sad. And then that week, like October was just a busy month. It was like the deadline of trying to get like sponsorships done, filmed, closed out, ready to post. My family was coming into town. I was trying to do some Halloween things for myself, for my soul. We had our Hocus Pocus event where the actors came. We were busy getting all of that ready. During October, I was like, okay, it's fine. I'll just kind of forget about my channel right now. Not forget about it, but it has to go to the back burner currently. I vended at my first market, guys, here in Salem, and it was so exciting. It was actually the Black Veils market, which is a phenomenal market. If you ever get a chance to go to their night fair, I highly recommend it. It is like so beautiful. There's haunt actors, just the vibe. All of the businesses that vend there are super, super talented, and I cannot believe that I got the opportunity to have that be my first market, that I was vending my Halloween happy stuff, my stationery, my planners. Well, not stationery. I'll get to that in a second. That came later. My decorated journals, all my Halloween happy stickers and magnets, and just little cutesy stuff like that. I actually met some of you guys who came by my table and said that you watch my channel. So if you're still here, hey, there were some ghouls saying, Sam, when are you going to get back to uploading video? And I was like, I will after like October. It's not a big deal. So yeah, October came, and then November, I just kind of took a break. I Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what I did in November. December, I had another market that I needed to prep for, so I took time to do that. And that was the Midnight Moon Market for Witch City Wicks, and that was amazing. I had so much fun. That was where I did my stationery, that I first like shared my stationery to everyone, my Halloween happy stationery. And if you've been around here for a long time, and if you're part of my Patreon, you know that that has been something I've always wanted to do ever since I started Halloween happy. I've wanted to do stationery, planners, stickers, things like that. So I worked on that, and then I had my birthday. I got really, really, really sick in December. I got sick in December, and then I got sick in January, and it was just awful. It wasn't COVID or anything, but I had to keep going to urgent care because I'm asthmatic. And if you know, you know. So January came, right? And so this is usually when I do my decorated planners and journals and focus on my Etsy shop. And so the year prior, I had said, I'm not going to be able to do the journals because I'm going to focus on videos. And so I can only do one or the other currently. Maybe next year will be a different thing because I can like try to plan stuff out, but it was just hard for me to focus on both. And when I do the planners and journals, I cannot I cannot focus on anything else. Like I get so fixated on it and I just want to get everything done. Like if I have a list of things to do, I can only do that one thing and I can't focus. I can't do anything else until I can get that one thing marked off my list. And it was quite the job. I had so many planners, so many journals to decorate. Obviously, I loved doing it, so that's not the problem. It's just I felt like I was kind of dropping the ball on other things. So I worked on that. But meanwhile, while all this stuff is happening, so I've been working on my mental health. I had been taking medication, and I've kind of talked about this in my past videos. If you guys want more like a in-depth video, let me know in the comments. But I had been taking medication, seeing a therapist, and just working on myself and just really struggling, having such a hard time. Also, I forgot in fall there was kind of like a breast scare, but all is well. All is well. Fast forward. I know this video is probably giving you whiplash. Welcome to my brain. Welcome to my thought process. So, where was I at? Oh, yeah. So, in this time of winter, okay, you guys, I worked so hard on not feeling guilty about not having videos posted, not posting on Instagram, not touching base. My Halloween Happy on Patreon, like I was able to stay in touch with them, and that just was not overwhelming for me. And I can't even tell you like how thankful I am to the people who had subscribed to my Patreon. Like it just helped so much with helping me get my stationery started. Like you guys have no idea. I would not have been able to even vend at these markets, to start up my stationery, to add things to my Etsy shop if it were not for my Patreon supporters. So if you guys are watching, thank you so much because seriously, I can't do this without you. Because I mean, let's be real. My channel is small. I've been doing this for a long time and my channel is small. It's not the smallest, I understand that, but compared to like other creators, it's definitely small. So it's hard getting those sponsorships. It's hard getting, you know, ad revenue from YouTube. I've been saving up for such a long time, and the Patreon supporters have helped me so much. So I want to give a huge shout out to them. So, where was I going at with this? Okay, not feeling guilty about everything Halloween happy wise. I knew that I really needed to like just enjoy the time, like slow down until we got into like spooky season for the normal people. I mean, we're always in spooky season, but you know what I mean. Working on my mental health still, I'm still doing that. But I started working on my physical health. I started paying attention to what I was eating. I started cooking more. I started going to bed early because you guys, you have no idea. And I can't, it's kind of embarrassing to say, but it's like you have no idea how much time I would do with Halloween Happy, which is totally fine because I love it, but everything else would just come second. I mean, not my other job because that job pays my bills. I would feel bad even if I just like enjoyed my time doing nothing. I felt like if I had time to sit on the couch, I have time to like film a video, to edit a video. I would just feel like I had to do something always like reaching, working on my goals, working on the next step, like figuring stuff out. Like it was just, I don't know. I still think that there's like still something going on mental wise. This is like a really sloppy video. I'm so sorry, guys. I really had notes here. Okay, mental health break. The benefits that I've noticed is that I've been able to spend time working out, moving my body. I've been able to spend time cooking food, making my dinner, and not ordering out and not eating like garbage. I mean, I still eat some things that I enjoy. But yeah, so far I've lost like 30 pounds. And some of you might say, Sam, where were the 30 pounds? Or maybe you're like, yeah, you needed to. Not to cause body issues on anyone. This is just me. But I did not feel great. Like I have just always struggled with my weight, with all of that stuff. If you want a video, let me know because we can talk about all the deep topics. I actually put a pause on my therapy. I just felt like it was best for me to put a pause on it. But if you're part of my Discord through Patreon, you know what the issues are. So anyways, I want to find a new therapist and see and kind of just like get more help because I do need it. So mental health, still taking medication. I was talking to my doctor about getting off of the medication, but I just don't know if I'm there yet. I'm not really sure. I'm still just like debating and seeing how that goes. So we'll see. Okay, what else do we got? This video is so sloppy. I really like planned an outline and everything so it wouldn't be hard for me to edit. Okay. So physical health journey, that's what I've been doing. Mental health, that's what I've been doing. And I am trying to balance work and hobbies. Mainly it's just work, like my full-time job, and then my hobbies. Hobbies, that is just like it's still doing Halloween stuff. I'm just not sharing it with you because I'm just like, let me enjoy this and not think of like, oh, this is content. Let me put this up because my brain does not think like that. If ever I show anything, it's like, oh, this is what I'm doing. Let me share it. It's not, let me create something so that I can use that as content. If that makes sense. I don't know. Hobbies, guys. I have started gaming. I used to love video games when I was younger, and I have been playing games on the Xbox and just enjoying just thinking about nothing. I've been enjoying taking baths. I've been reading books, which reminds me we have to get our book club on Patreon. Book club needs to get started because I know a lot of you guys wanted to do it the outside of the fall season, which I'm totally down with too. So yeah, I've been playing like Overcooked. It's such a fun game. I don't know if you've played it. I also played It Takes Two, and I cannot tell you how much I loved this game. It is literally like playing a Pixar movie. It is so good. It lasted forever. I cried when it was over with, and now I'm playing games on my computer. Like I'm just having such a good time just like hanging out with myself, even though I've always hung out with myself, but it's like working, editing, filming, stuff like that. Just been chilling. I also like kind of organized my office. I'm wanting to add some things to it because I kind of wanted like I don't know what I want. I want like to do like a little area. Like I want to get rid of this little couch because I don't know, I'm just not liking it. I rarely sit on it anymore. It was there for Raven to lay on, which by the way, next month is going to be a year without Raven, and I can't even believe that she's been out of my life for a year. I'm currently dog sitting for someone. I'm dog sitting this dog. He used to live in our apartment building, but then they moved out of the building. They still live here in Salem, but they went to Barbados and stuff for a family emergency, so I'm watching him. And the first time that I took him outside walking, I took him on like the normal walking path that I used to do with Raven, and like it was pretty sad. I was like, wow, I feel like the time has not passed without Raven. Like I felt like it was just the day after the last day that she was here, if that makes sense. Like I felt like she was still here. I want a dog. Joe wants a dog. I just never wanted to leave Raven. I don't know. I just don't like leaving my dogs and going out of town. Like I just boarding them, having someone watch them is very frightening to me. We're pausing on that. In March, I did go to a horror con, and so I will say it was stress-free, not having to worry about like who's going to watch the dog. I'm trying to take some trips to go like to the horror cons with Joe just to like do it now while I can before I get another dog. So yeah, some people have asked me if I'm going to get another dog. So that's that. I love dogs so much. I want a dog. My life is so without them. So yes, I will have another dog. Where are we at on this list that I have not really done well? Keeping it organized. As you're watching this video, I'm actually going to be in Texas. We are going to a HorrorCon, Texas Frightmare. Some of you may have heard of it. I used to go a few years ago, but I just wanted to take a break, and I'm going to go this year since I don't have a dog. So we're going to that. So I'm excited for that. Gonna be in Texas. Yeah, I don't know really what more to say about that. I'll probably vlog it. I think I'm gonna try to do like a pack with me video. See, I just want someone to film, like, I just want someone to film me so I don't even have to think about it, okay? I just want someone to follow me around with a camera. But anyways, so that's what we're going to be up to. And then after that, I'm going to be doing another market for Witch City Wicks, the Midnight Moon Market. So I have to get ready for that. That's what I'm going to be doing. But stay tuned because after the market, I'm going to be adding new things to my shop, like new stationery. This is just a little sample. We have different sticky notes. We're going to have different notepads. I finally have notebooks. Let me show you. You guys are going to love these. Look at how cute these are. Do you know how long I've been wanting to do notebooks? I decided to do the first batch with lined paper because I wasn't really sure what you ghouls wanted. I know that not everyone likes the decorated journals or can afford the decorated journals, so I figured that I would come out with these Halloween happy notebooks, which I'm honestly so excited to use, and I hope you guys love them because they're just so stinking cute. But we'll have new pens, new stickers, all sorts of things are coming, so stay tuned for that. And if you are in Salem, the weekend of, what weekend is that actually? It's the 25th for the Midnight Moon Market. It's going to be Saturday evening. Check it out. And if you go, come by and say hello, introduce yourself. I would love to see you. I would love to meet you. And yeah, that's what we have coming up. And then soon we are going to be doing Halloween shopping and just getting into the groove of everything. So if you are still watching this video, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the rambling. I love you guys, and if you want to support Halloween Happy so I am able to keep creating the products of my dreams, please consider joining my Patreon. Your support means so much. And if you don't, that's okay too. You can support me by subscribing to my channel, following me on social media, and also if you want to, you can check out my affiliate links. They are listed down below. You can shop some of my favorite ghoulish small businesses, so check those out. Let me know what you guys have been up to. I feel like I asked that on my May layout video, but no one's really told me, okay? I actually want to know. I'm not just saying that. Like, let me know what you're doing, okay? I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!